Okay, we're recording, man. Recording the video after all the times, man. Rasta clad bomba ras start the car. Oh. Whoa. Take it easy. Whoa. Take it easy. You too. Whoa. Oh. All right. Please do not reschedule the power because you know the fucking. All right, guys. Okay, I can see everything. Okay, it's good. Gucci in the coochie. Guys, it's been a really long time, and I apologize, guys. Happy New Year, happy Kwanzaa. Stop talking. I missed you guys. Yes, it is on. It is absolutely. It is on. We are parked. We're in the middle of bumfuck town nowhere right now, so I had my GoPro with me, so today was the day. I'm gonna give you guys a long dick style video today. Oh man, it's been a long time. It's been a really long time, my friend. Yeah, moment of silence. Stop rebooting. No. Okay, we're gonna unplug that fucker. All right, let me actually no one can see me. I won't look like an idiot. All right, let me do a quick walkthrough for you guys. So nothing's really changed. The side skirt siren since the last video. The markers were done. You guys seen the headlights. I want to change the headlights. These are just a new housing, so you guys know the lip's still there. These are winter tires, so you guys know with winter rims they do fuck all, but at least I haven't died yet, so you guys know. Anything else, block that. Yeah, apart from that, there's nothing really changed, not yet. All the parts I have, let me go get my sec. All the parts that I have coming in right now, either they're at home, they're in transit, or I ordered them and they told me it's 4 to 6 weeks, and it's been fucking 2 months. So I don't know where 4 to 6 weeks comes from, but yeah. So today's the day, guys. I'm gonna make a nice G Pro video where I fucking drive and get some gas because we're getting low. It's winter time. There's fucking snow here in this country. There's snow, unfortunately. Ignore the commentary. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. So something for you guys to know is my suspension's starting to give out with the...
No! God, please, no! No! No!
It's going out, so I gotta decide if I'm going air suspension or coilovers at this point, because springs is not gonna do it. Wait a sec. Why is this car so quiet? On. All right. I am the one, the way your son don't need a... Woo. That wasn't even a lot. Fuck yeah. Guys, don't forget kids, don't forget. Oh fuck, what am I saying?
What the fuck?
Sometimes winter tires are not enough in this fucking car. Yeah, eh? Oh gosh, I fucking love this exhaust. This is a whole different setup, just so you guys know. I'm gonna make a video on it. Just so you guys know, I don't even have a burble tune, and this shit's popping like a fucking popcorn maker. Oh yeah, gangsta, yo. get some diesel. Yeah, how funny would that be? Puts diesel in the car. Hey, why does the BMW not start anymore? I wonder what like possessed it. And then you realize, ah, fuck. I'll put diesel in this fucking guy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I feel so old. What's up, uncle? Long time no see, my friend. Alright, where's my keys? Okay, the keys are there. Alright. Where's my wallet? Yeah, my wallet's there too. So that's the most important stuff that we need. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to pause the video because I didn't want you guys to see my fucking cards. I don't want no Indian hackers getting my pin and stuff, you know, or whoever else does the hacking. I don't know. You gotta blur out that last part. Okay, you guys are gonna watch this. This is gonna be so funny. So I'm gassing up 94 right now. Easily, it's gonna be like 90 bucks for a tank, and that's gonna last me a week because I fuck around too much. Oh gosh, look at the prices. Holy shit, 140, 141 almost. $1.40 for a liter. We need like 50, 60 liters for this motherfucker. Oh man, it's so cold. Fuck. There's a Starbucks right here. It looks closed. Told you guys, we're in the middle of nowhere, man. This is a dangerous place we're here at, you know? Fucking never know if some fucking Volkswagen Honda guys might roll up and get off that time my ass with their pops and bangs too. This probably looks so funny. People are probably like, yo, what the fuck? This guy's got a fucking camera on his head. Holy shit, bro. We're at 80 bucks already. I'm broke. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Oh, it's so cold, man. Why you got to be so cold? Okay. Cold. Fuck, it's cold. Oh, it's so warm in here. It's so warm in here, guys. Oh, yes, the bar. It's so loud. Fuck yeah. I'm so cold right now, guys. You don't understand. It's like fucking minus. Watch, it's gonna be like -1 on this fucking car. Yes. +1. That's a lie. That's a fucking lie. It's not. It's like -10 right now. That's a fucking lie. Oh my god! Gotta put my keys. Where are my keys? Yep. No, I should keep those in this pocket. Got my wallet. Yeah. We're Gucci in the Gucci. I gotta reset that bastard. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go. Fuck! I just zoned out. I'm gonna go. I gotta go grab food right now. Actually, I gotta call that place. Yeah, let me call that place. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, we're back on. Oh my god, what is that, 36% battery? I just turned it on like literally like 2 minutes ago. Oh man, we gotta. Yeah, I'm just fucking lost. Okay. Oh gosh, I gotta head down to the hood to pick up some food in the hood. Woo! It's been so long. I swear I drive this car all the time, but like the exhaust was just changed recently, so it sounds a bit different than from what I used to have it as. Whew. Thank goodness I lowered the map. We'd be fucking in the other side of this bank right here. Oh man, guys, don't drive in the winter, man. It's rough, yeah. You know what? I should probably just like cut out my talking because I just talk nonsense all the time. Yeah, I should just cut out the nonsense.
Oh my god! Wow! Bye.